Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Dream Cars. The 2026 Mitsubishi Pajero marks the return of one of the most iconic off-road SUVs in the automotive world. After a brief hiatus, Mitsubishi has unveiled a revamped version of the Pajero combining its rugged legacy with modern innovations and luxury features. This model is poised to be a standout in both the off-road and family SUV segments. Here's everything you need to know about the 2026 Mitsubishi Pajero design and exterior. The 2026 Pajero carries forward its bold, muscular design with sharper lines in a more refined front fascia. The vehicle's wide stance and aggressive grille emphasize its off-road prowess, while new LED headlights in a more aerodynamic roof line give it a contemporary look. The robust wheel arches and signature rear tailgate reflect the Pajero's heritage as a no-nonsense 4x4, while high-end alloy wheels and new paint options add a touch of sophistication. The vehicle comes with a longer wheelbase, providing more interior space and stability on rough terrains. Interior and comfort inside the 2026 Pajero features a major upgrade in terms of luxury and technology. The cabin is spacious with high-quality materials used throughout, including leather seating, soft touch surfaces, and modern trim options. The third-row seats are more accessible, providing ample legroom for all passengers, making it a perfect family SUV. The infotainment system is state-of-the-art with a 12-inch touchscreen, a premium audio system, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a fully integrated navigation system. The vehicle also includes an advanced climate control system and multiple USB ports for a convenient and connected driving experience. The 2026 Pajero has also incorporated new noise-damping materials to ensure a quieter cabin even on the most rugged terrains. Performance and capability. The 2026 Auto continues its legacy as a formidable off-road vehicle. Under the hood, it offers a variety of powertrain options, including a more powerful 3.0-liter V6 engine pairs with a 10-speed automatic transmission. The engine delivers excellent towing capacity and auto torque, making it ideal for both long-haul drives and off-road expeditions. For those seeking more fuel-efficient alternatives, there is also a hybrid version that combines a smaller turbocharged engine with an electric motor, providing impressive fuel economy without compromising performance. The Pajero's all-wheel drive system has been significantly upgraded, featuring advanced traction and stability control systems for superior off-road handling. Whether you're navigating muddy trails, rocky paths, or desert dunes, the 2026 Pajero's enhanced suspension system and advanced ground clearance ensure it can tackle any challenge. With these safety features, Mitsubishi has not overlooked safety in the 2026 Pajero. The SUV comes equipped with the latest driver assistance technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. The new Pajero also features an upgraded airbag system and a reinforced safety cage to protect passengers in the event of a collision. Furthermore, the vehicle's advanced 360-degree camera system and off-road monitoring help drivers navigate tricky terrain. With these inconfidence, technology, and innovation, the 2026 Pajero incorporates several technological advancements aimed at enhancing both off-road capability and convenience. One of the most notable features is the new off-road navigation system, which provides real-time data on terrain conditions, elevation, and trail difficulty. The Pajero also offers an advanced 4x4 mode selector, allowing drivers to tailor the vehicle settings to various road and trail conditions. For tech-savvy buyers, the Pajero also features over-the-air updates for its infotainment system, ensuring the vehicle remains up to date with the latest software and features. Pricing and availability. The 2026 Mitsubishi Pajero is expected to launch globally in late 2026, with pricing starting around $45,000 for the base model. Higher trims, especially those with advanced off-road packages or hybrid options, will be priced higher, with premium models reaching up to $60,000. Availability may vary depending on the market, but Mitsubishi has confirmed that it will be sold in key regions including Japan, Australia, and select countries in Europe and Asia. The 2026 Mitsubishi Pajero is a remarkable blend of rugged off-road capability, luxurious comfort, and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're looking for a family-friendly SUV with impressive off-road credentials or a reliable vehicle for tackling challenging terrains, the Pajero delivers on all fronts. Mitsubishi has succeeded in modernizing the classic SUV while preserving the essence of what makes the Pajeros a legendary. For enthusiasts and adventure seekers alike, the 2026 Pajero is set to be the ultimate choice in its class. The 2026 Mitsubishi Pajero returns with exciting new features, enhanced performance, and a refined design, making it a standout in the SUV segment. With a bolder and more modern exterior design, it offers improved aerodynamics and a commanding road presence. Under the hood, the Pajero is powered by a more efficient and dynamic engine, delivering exceptional performance both on-road and off-road. The interior is redesigned for ultimate comfort and convenience, featuring advanced technology, a user-friendly infotainment system, and high-quality materials. Whether you're embarking on long road trips or off-road adventures, the 2026 Pajero is built to deliver a top-tier driving experience. Thanks for watching time, and don't forget like and subscribe to our channel Dream Cars and See in the Road.